mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Now the official National Weather Service forecast for the southern Poconos. Severe thunderstorm watch 314 in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. This afternoon, numerous showers and thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, west central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 3 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over White Horse, or over...
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mercer County, west central Monmouth County, southwestern Middlesex County until 3 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over White Horse, or over Trenton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Trenton, Manalapan, York, Jamesburg, Hightstown, Cranberry, Allentown, Roosevelt, White Horse, Twin Rivers, Whittingham, Plainsboro Center, Clearbrook Park, Princeton Meadows, Windsor, Mercerville Hamilton Square, Edinburgh, Dayton, Rossmore, and Concordia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties.